Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss the current price surge in Dogecoin. Also, we will look at the current price of Cardano and we will see if it can still give us some good gains. Also, at the same time, we will discuss the current price of 1 inch and where it can go in the future and what sort of returns it can give us. So before we proceed, let me tell you that the information provided in these videos is very time sensitive. Just in the past month, we covered hidden gems like cardio chain and 1 inch, which have given my audience some good returns. So if you want this time sensitive valuable information in time so that you can preempt the market before the pumps in these golden gems and off the radar opportunities, I strongly recommend that you push the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell and select the option all so that you can get notifications of the upcoming videos as they are released. Also, I will be releasing one more video today so that I can cover more about the current state of the market, and we will also see if there are some good opportunities which are lurking around where we can get good returns in the coming future. So first of all, a disclaimer. So nothing in this video is financial advice. This video is just based on my own opinions and based on my own research. So please do your own research before investing in cryptocurrencies, because this market is very volatile and very risky, and you can lose your capital if you do not invest wisely and if you don't do your own research. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. Subail Khan. I am a blockchain expert, business strategist, and an award-winning scientist. So over here we can see that Dogecoin is sitting at number 10 in the coin market cap, and that is amazing. I personally think of it as a joke coin, or let's say a useless coin lurking around just as a way to appreciate the cuteness of dogs. Yes, of course, it can be used for payments and so on, but it does not have any distinct competitive advantages, tech behind it, and so on. And over here, we can see the news from CNBC stating that Dogecoin surges after Elon Musk tweets in support of that. But how much does Elon Musk really support Dogecoin? So this video was released on the 6th of February. And here we can see that Elon Musk says not to bet the ranch on Dogecoin when asked about the sudden hype, but he confirms that it was originally supposed to be seen as a joke in the cryptocurrency world. Elon Musk tweets while he is inside eating at BOA steakhouse restaurant, and just like that, Dogecoin rises in price. So I firmly believe that it is still a joke, it should not be taken seriously, and it is amazing to see the current price surge. So I don't know why people are convinced that it is something worth putting their hard-earned money into, except for the reason that I just mentioned before, and that is to appreciate the cuteness of dogs. That is what comes to my mind. So Dogecoin is pumping out of proportion, as we can see, outperforming other alts with some really good fundamentals, good team, and other key advantages. So it was exactly the case in the last bull run when the coins like BitConnect, Plus Token, Chaincoin, and also OneCoin blew out of proportion. And the reason for that was that the herd mentality pushed it upwards to such levels that it psychologically enticed even more retail investors into the game. And then the price kept on surging. It snowballed, and then the whole rotten structure just went crumbling down and people lost their life savings. Also, as we can see in the Google Trends, that we are at the start of the bull market, or at its early stages, and the retail FOMO has just started. The exchanges have people waiting to be approved to get their accounts started over there. So it shows that the retail investors are entering the space who will soon take BTC prices to levels that we could not have imagined in 2014, 15 and 18 bull run. Of course, we can see that the score for the searches related to Bitcoin have gone down, but I personally believe that we have just started off and nothing just goes straight up, as we can see over here. And soon we are going to enter a stage of euphoria where the things are really going to blow up even more so out of proportion. So now back to the Dogecoin surge in price. So there are lots of institutions investing in cryptos right now. So the institutional FOMO is also on. Also, the retail Disneyland party is getting started, as I just mentioned. In USA, government is printing trillions upon trillions of dollars for the stimulus packages. So due to inflation, business loans in USA, UK and other countries too. And when people look at these big gains in cryptocurrencies market, they just simply are tempted and then they flock in just to get wrecked. And that is why I think that we can see multi-trillion-dollar market caps of many cryptocurrencies in this bull cycle. So Dogecoin did around 8x in the past 2 weeks. It did around 800%, it means. So Dogecoin is at a 10 billion US dollars market cap currently, which is much higher than projects like Icon, Ion, and Cardia Chain, and many other blockchain 3.0 platforms, which is just simply insane. So people are definitely motivated by the news and hype and jumping on a train that is moving at supersonic speeds now, as we can see over here. And since they saw the news and since they saw the hype and they saw the price surge that other people are already making money, so why should we be left behind? So they have to get in to make money without thinking much about it and without gauging the risk. And of course, without looking at the fundamentals. So just because Elon Musk tweeted about Dogecoin and also Gene Simmons and Snoop Dogg, it does not change the tech. Elon Musk most probably did it as a joke, but just imagine what impact it had on the price of the Dogecoin. That shows the fact that personal brands and social media can impact industries way more than the true value to consumers, the impact of industry, and also on humanity. Also, people are speculating that a Super Bowl ad might come out. That might be the ad which the people are talking about, which I don't think is the case. And it has pushed Dogecoin price even higher and added fuel to fire. So now people are expecting the price of Dogecoin to go over $1 US, and that means over a 10x increase in price as compared to the price right now. So the big YouTubers are pumping the Dogecoin, or else they are mentioning the Dogecoin, which gets sit in front of more eyeballs. Then the celebrities and business leaders are also mentioning it. So as far as the overall market sentiment is concerned, it might happen soon that every shopkeeper, cleaner or mechanic will become an expert in finance and telling you about investing in cryptocurrencies. But I used the word soon. I did not say that it has already happened. I think we are still a little bit far from that euphoria, as the last phase of the bull market is very short. So it takes a lot of time for the bull market to develop, and the last stage of the bull market in cryptocurrencies is very fast, where most of the retail investors actually invest, and then it snowballs into a big euphoria or a bubble. So now the question is, can Dogecoin really reach $1 US? So to answer these questions, we have to look at the current circulating supply of Dogecoin. So if we look at the circulating supply of Dogecoin, it is 128.28 billion coins. And the problem over here is that the maximum supply is not available. And that is very alarming, because I don't know, it might be actually printed out of proportion and simply dumped. And in that case, many people will lose their hard-earned money. So it simply means that with the current circulating supply, if it reaches $1 US, as I mentioned, it will have a market cap of 128.289 billion US dollars. And that will take it to number 3 in the coin market cap. But the point is that will the price of other cryptocurrencies remain constant in this bull run or remain at the same level? I don't think so. So here is the risk. The circulating supply is mentioned, but not the maximum supply. So just like the fiat currencies issued by the governments can be printed into oblivion, so can be Dogecoin. And that can cause enormous supply, dumping, and giving people very stressful days for many months or even years. So as I mentioned before, the retail FOMO is on. People are lined up and they want to get into exchanges to get their hands on the cryptocurrencies. Also, most likely they will go and buy altcoins more than the Bitcoin due to more expected gains without gauging the risk. That happens in every bull market in the last stages, where retail investors want to join the party and make a very quick buck. And now let's talk about the price of Cardano. So it is one of the coins that I am bullish on. And as I mentioned at price levels of 42 cents in previous videos, the upcoming updates in coming months, expected news in coming months, and its positioning as one of the best blockchain 3.0 platforms makes it a jewel in the group of platforms that are geared towards solving the interoperability problem and other problems associated with blockchain 2.0 platforms. So if you want to learn more about the different stages of evolution of blockchain platforms, please follow the link above. So it might go to 1.2 US dollars and break the previous all-time high in coming 4 to 8 weeks, depending on BTC price and overall market sentiment. One other project on which I am very bullish is 1inch, and I mentioned it in one of my previous videos. So it went to 6.1 US dollars and gave my viewers some good returns. I personally believe that it can do a 5x to 10x price appreciation as compared to its current price due to its unique positioning and better fundamentals as compared to Uniswap and SushiSwap, and also due to the fact that it is geared towards the institutional investors. And as we have seen that institutions are now flocking in, and not just the retail FOMO but also the institutional FOMO is on. So it is uniquely positioned as compared to Uniswap and SushiSwap, and they are much higher in the market cap currently. So I firmly believe that if the bull market continues, 1inch can give us some really good returns. So in the end, I would like to mention again that people are speculating out of proportion as far as the Dogecoin is concerned, and even if it goes to the price of 1 US dollars, it will come crashing down to 1 or 2 cents or maybe even below and create an avalanche of sell pressure and trigger panic selling of enormous magnitude. So please be careful about it and don't invest a lot of money into such speculative things. So as far as cryptocurrency market is concerned, there are a few things which you must keep in mind. First of all, you always have to preempt the market. You have to make a move before a lot of other people make the move so that you can leverage on the price increase. So in other words, you have to be ahead of the herd. So in short, you need to understand that you must leverage fear and excitement instead of doing what majority is doing, since in contradiction of democracy in markets, especially the crypto market, which is a very emotional market, majority opinion is most of the times the opinion which can evaporate your capital at the lightning speeds. Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.